Welcome back to my morning report chart appraisals on Tuesday the 9th of May with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Going to move on to cable, and we've seen cable that is just sort of consolidating in a little bit of a bull trend really. You can sort of see this succession of higher lows that's going on. 28.30, and then you broke to the upside. You consolidated back a touch from that, sort of just failing underneath the 30 big figure. I mean, I'm saying 30 big figure is a bit of a psychological level. It is, but above that is the where you start to get into the real resistance again. I've got this dashed line on a bit of a pivot actually, 130.50, which became a bit of a pivot through July, August and September last year. And then you're looking at 31.20 being that reaction at high there in September. If I can get the crosshair on it. Come on. No. Okay, fine. So yeah, just generally speaking, little corrections are a chance to buy on cable. You've still got positive momentum. Yes, it's not as sort of outright bullish and sort of rampantly strong as it has been. Just the momentum, just sort of plateauing a touch. MACD lines, yes, but I mean we had similar sort of situation back in April really before the next upside break, so I'm not getting too worked up about that yet, and the RSI above 60 still remains very strong, so I'm not getting too upset about the fact that the MACD lines are beginning to trail off a bit, but or tail off I should say. Consolidation a little bit in the last sort of day and a half really, as the market's just pulled back a touch, but I think that generally speaking support remains intact. You've got the moving averages all rising, you've got the momentum indicators positively configured, you're above 40 on the RSI and the hourly, you're sort of turning higher again, or certainly bottoming out on the MACD lines, just around that neutral point, just below neutral. I think just generally speaking this is a little bit of a consolidation that's likely to be bought into, so you've got the support that comes in around 29 figure, get the crosshairs on that, support around 29 figure, which has been a bit pivotal, and you're above that at the moment. 29.25 seems to be holding at the moment, and then below that you've got that key reaction low, 28.30. So yeah, it's all looking positive still, and I think that corrections remain a chance to buy. So you're trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.